In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and save export presets in Adobe Media Encoder. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, customizing your presets will streamline your workflow and ensure that your final outputs meet all your specifications. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at how to manage your presets effectively. First, we need to open the preset browser in Adobe Media Encoder. To do this, simply head over to the top menu and select Window. From there, look for the option called Preset Browser and click on it. This will bring up the window where all your existing presets and options for creating new ones live. Now, if you're looking to create a brand new preset, you have a couple of options. In the preset browser itself, you'll see the preset menu located at the top. Go ahead and click on this menu and select Create Encoding Preset. Alternatively, there's another easy way to get there. You can simply use the Create New Preset button you'll find in the interface and choose New Encoding Preset from the drop-down list. This brings up a new dialog box where you'll customize your preset. In this dialog, you'll find a variety of settings to tweak. First up is the Format option. Here, you can choose from various encoding formats like H.264 or QuickTime, depending on your needs. Next, you'll delve into the preset settings, where you have the flexibility to define resolution, adjust bitrate, set audio preferences, and much more. Remember, the goal here is to tailor these settings to optimize for the best possible outcome for your specific project. Once you're happy with all your choices, don't forget to give your new preset a name. If you like, you can even organize it by assigning it to a particular folder or group for easy access later on. Now, let's say you've already got a custom preset, but need to make a few adjustments. In that case, go over to the preset browser once more. Locate and select the custom preset you want to edit. Then click on the Preset menu and select Settings. Alternatively, you can also right-click on your preset and choose Edit from the context menu that appears. This action will open up the Settings interface, allowing you to make any necessary changes. For instance, you might want to tweak the bitrate, add or remove alpha channel support, or modify the frame size to better fit your needs. Once you've made all your changes, you'll want to ensure these adjustments are saved. There's usually a Save button, or you might simply close the editing window to apply the changes depending on your Adobe Media Encoder setup. Making sure your presets are perfectly fine-tuned will not only improve your output quality, but also save you considerable time in your editing process. And there you have it. You've now learned how to edit and save export presets effectively in Adobe Media Encoder. Customizing your presets this way will undoubtedly enhance your workflow, helping you get professional results every time.